Looking for the perfect beginner mirrorless camera to kickstart your photography journey in 2024? Join us as we dive deep into the best options on the market. From stunning image quality to intuitive controls, we'll help you find the camera that's right for you. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Canon EOS R10. This camera offers a superb blend of accessibility and performance, making it an excellent choice for entry-level photographers. Its compact design feels comfortable in hand, with dual control dials and a dedicated AF joystick that facilitates experimentation. The articulating touchscreen provides a seamless transition from smartphone shooting. While its 24.2 megapixel sensor isn't the latest, the EOS R10's modern autofocus and Canon's powerful Digic X processor make it a versatile tool for beginners. During our review, the autofocus tracking was impressively reliable, and the 15 FPS burst rate is great for action shots. Low-light handheld shooting is limited due to the lack of in-body stabilization, but the EOS R10 performs well against APS-C competitors, delivering sharp, detailed images with vibrant colors. It also offers hybrid versatility with its video capabilities, recording uncropped 4K 30p footage by oversampling from the 6K sensor. The main drawback is the limited selection of native lenses, but we hope this will improve soon. Number 2. Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV. While the OMD EM10 Mark IV isn't dramatically cheaper than the Canon EOS R10 or Fujifilm X-T30 II, it is a more budget-friendly option for beginners. Its smaller 4/3 sensor makes it more compact, ideal for those seeking a lightweight camera. However, videographers might want to look elsewhere, as it lacks both a microphone port and a USB-C connection. For aspiring photographers, the OMD EM10 Mark IV offers excellent value. Its ergonomic grip, user-friendly button layout, and flip-down touchscreen make it easy to use. We found it to be the most photo-focused camera in its price range, delivering impressive stills in our review. Olympus has a history of offering beginner-friendly features, and this model continues that tradition with its advanced photo mode, which guides users through techniques like long exposures. The in-body image stabilization system, borrowed from the flagship EM1, is outstanding. While it may not be the flashiest option, the Mark IV is a solid choice for new photographers. If your budget allows, consider the OM system. Number 4. Fujifilm X-T30 Mark II. The camera was already a standout everyday camera, and its successor, the camera, refines the formula just enough to make it even more appealing. It retains the same compact and stylish chassis, balancing performance with a sleek design. The classic retro look remains, and while the rear LCD is sharper, it's still a tilting panel rather than a fully articulating screen, which would have been a nice addition. With the same sensor and 425-point AF system as its predecessor, the camera continues to capture detailed images with rich tones. The updated algorithm improves tracking for moving subjects, performing well when the movement is predictable. The focus point sensitivity has been enhanced, and the X-T30 Mark II excels at picking out fine details even in low light. If you're in the market for a top-notch beginner mirrorless camera and don't already own the X-T30, this is a solid mid-range choice worth considering. Number 9. Make it an ideal choice for beginners and enthusiasts.